Why does your scanner show the P0111 engine code? What does it mean? P0111 is a diagnostic trouble code for intake air temperature, IAT circuit range, or performance problem. This engine code indicates that the PCM detects that the sensor's signal is either out of the expected operational range or is erratic, meaning it's not providing accurate and stable temperature readings of the air entering the engine. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty IAT sensor. IAT sensor wiring or connector issues. Mass airflow sensor malfunction. Intake air system problems. PCM or ECM failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Acura, Honda, Nissan, Kia, and Mazda models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.